What's up, YouTube? Thanks for joining my channel. This is One Fast SRT. I just want to make this video about my Acura. I blew the rings on the engine, so it's gonna need a rebuild. It's been a while since I made a video on this, and I'm gonna try and start it and move it into this spot. It's been sitting here for a while. I got the Honda hooked up, so I'm gonna see if I even get any codes popping up, but I doubt it. But I'm just gonna get in here and start the car and get it moved over. I got the supercharger belt pulled off because it makes a lot of noise, and I have to keep the RPMs up to keep it running. But yeah, it's been sitting for a while. You can see the webs and shit. Keep the battery unhooked because it drains. But yeah, you can see the supercharger right down there. I took the belt out. I'm just gonna try and start it and see if I can move it. See what happens. But I'll get the plan to get the engine rebuilt. I think I'm gonna do a forge internals and the whole 9 yards. The engine stock, besides the headwork and cams, but it lasted 9 years, more than that I think, so it's been good to me. I think it made 365 on 8 pounds, 7 pounds of boost, and then my dumbass switched pulleys made it up to I think 14, and air fuel ratios, everything looked good. I barely beat on it, but it gave on the freeway one day, so let's see what happens. Hopefully it starts. The Honda, it looks like there's something going on with the Honda now. Damn it. Gets online. Something's wrong with the Honda too. What the fuck? It's weird. Yeah, I see. There's something wrong with the Honda too. See, doesn't want to stay running. Let me try and, oh shit. Try and move it. I should have did this. Smoking like a chimney. These rings are done. Stays running at least. Running super rich. I got oil pressure. But yeah, those rings are done. It's smoking like a chimney. Yep. Not sure why my Honda won't